Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a banner to your Squarespace website. A banner is a great way to add a striking visual element, highlight a promotion, or simply make your site more engaging. So, let's jump into these steps. The first step is to navigate to the page editor. First of all, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. And to do so, just go to Squarespace and enter it in the search engine. Once the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. And after that, select the drop down menu and select the account dashboard option right here and click on it. After that, select the website you want to add a banner to right here. Go to the website. Now in the left hand sidebar, after the website appears here, in the left hand sidebar, go to pages and select the page where you want to add a banner. I'll select, for example, the menu page. Now after that, click edit on the page to open up the editing tool. Click on edit right here. And that's it. Now for the second step is to edit the section and add banner image. Hover over the top section of the page and you'll see a button to edit section. Click on this to access the section settings. It's over right here and edit design. Now in some templates you can adjust the focal point by clicking on the image and dragging it to the center important parts. In some templates, you can add overlays, colors, or text directly onto the banner. So be sure to explore these options for the best effect. Now, let's try to add here a design or color. We're gonna you can select the spacing here, the element spacing. You can choose all. You can also go here and click on edit section right here, and you can change the design, change the background, and change the colors here. You can add the banner image. See, you can add the banner image using this one right here. Click on it and upload a file here. And that's it. Your banner is now set up and ready to make an impact on your site. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.